Sony Vega, flat-screen televisions for a digital age.
At Tesco, you can now get chart videos and CDs as if they were VAT free. But hurry, they won't be around forever.
Old El Paso turns an ordinary meal into something really special. So, if you think of authentic Mexican taste, think Old El Paso. Old El Paso. Fun comes in yellow boxes.
So you were sick last week, were you? Apparently you felt terrible.
I had the flu.
But when David spoke to you on Friday afternoon, you seemed all right.
I was beginning to feel better.
You said you had the flu. You're talking temperature, aches, shivers, headaches. Yet you were able to pick your way through the finer points of Far Eastern futures. I'd love to hear your explanation.
Lemsip Max Strength. Next time you're ill, you try it.
Lemsip Max Strength. Hard-working medicine. Now available in capsules.
This Christmas at Index, you can pick up a lot more than just the latest catalogue. We guarantee top brands at the lowest possible prices. Index is packed with an amazing range of Christmas gift ideas for all the family. And up to 3 months interest-free credit. So why shop anywhere else? Index, with the lowest prices in catalogue shopping, we've got Christmas all wrapped up.